When planning a siding renovation for your Madison Heights home, the material you choose is one of the most important decisions you'll make. Siding not only defines the curb appeal of your property but also plays a big role in energy efficiency, durability, and long-term maintenance. With so many options available, it's worth understanding the benefits and trade-offs of each type of siding material so you can select the best fit for your lifestyle and budget. Vinyl siding. Affordable and versatile vinyl siding remains one of the most popular choices for homeowners in Madison Heights. Known for its affordability and low maintenance, vinyl siding comes in a wide range of colors, textures, and styles that can mimic the look of wood without the upkeep. It resists moisture, pests, and rot, making it ideal for Michigan's changing climate. For busy homeowners, vinyl is attractive because it requires little more than an occasional rinse with a garden hose to look fresh. While it may not have the prestige of natural wood or fiber cement, it delivers excellent value for homeowners seeking a cost-effective upgrade. Fiber cement siding. Durable and stylish. If you're looking for siding that balances beauty with durability, fiber cement is an excellent option. Made from a blend of cement, sand, and cellulose fibers, it offers the classic look of wood siding but with far greater resistance to fire, pests, and moisture. Fiber cement can withstand Madison Heights' hot summers and snowy winters without warping or cracking. It's available in a variety of finishes and colors, and with proper maintenance, it can last for decades. While the upfront cost is higher than vinyl, many homeowners see it as a long-term investment that enhances both curb appeal and resale value. Wood siding. Timeless natural beauty for homeowners who want a warm, natural look, wood siding is hard to beat. Cedar, pine, and redwood are common choices, offering timeless beauty and the ability to be customized with stains or paints. Wood siding adds character and charm to Madison Heights homes, especially in neighborhoods where historic or craftsman-style houses are prevalent. However, wood does require regular maintenance to protect against rot, insects, and moisture. If you're willing to commit to upkeep, wood siding can reward you with unmatched character and curb appeal. Engineered wood. The best of both worlds. Engineered wood siding provides the natural look of wood with greater durability and lower maintenance requirements. Made from wood fibers combined with resins and treated for moisture resistance, engineered wood resists warping, pests, and rot better than traditional wood. It's lighter and easier to install than fiber cement, making it a cost-efficient option for many Madison Heights homeowners. Engineered wood offers a good balance between the beauty of natural wood and the resilience of modern siding materials. Metal siding. Modern and strong metal siding, typically steel or aluminum, is gaining popularity for homeowners seeking a sleek, modern look. It is incredibly durable, fire-resistant, and nearly maintenance-free. Steel siding, in particular, can withstand Michigan's harsh weather conditions, from heavy snow to windstorms. Aluminum siding is lightweight, resistant to rust, and often more affordable than steel. For eco-conscious homeowners, many metal siding options are recyclable, making them a sustainable choice for renovations. Brick and stone veneer. Classic elegance. If you want a truly timeless and upscale look, brick or stone veneer siding can add elegance and long-lasting durability to your Madison Heights home. While more expensive than other materials, brick and stone are highly resistant to weather, fire, and pests. They also provide excellent insulation, which can improve energy efficiency year-round. For homeowners looking to make a long-term investment that enhances curb appeal and property value, brick and stone veneer remain top choices. Choosing the right siding for your home. The best siding material for your Madison Heights renovation depends on your priorities, whether it's budget, durability, aesthetics, or low maintenance. Vinyl and engineered wood are excellent cost-effective solutions. Fiber cement offers lasting value, wood provides timeless beauty, and metal or stone veneer deliver premium style and strength. By weighing the pros and cons of each option, you can make an informed decision that adds beauty, comfort, and protection to your home for years to come. Customer tip. Before committing, Ask a local siding professional in Madison Heights for samples and estimates. Seeing the material in person can help you picture the final look and ensure you choose the perfect siding for your renovation.